Hi guys, I'm back again for another video today. This should be video number 4 or 5 or 6 or something like that. This is another unboxing. See how full information. This is from DHL Express. I ordered this from from Matches Fashion. This was completely unexpected. I am graduating in a few weeks and trying to get my outfit put together. Oh, this is a pretty box. Look at that. And I was just, going through, trying to pick out my outfit, and I saw this, and I was like, wow, this might match. Oh, this box is messed up too, like my last one I got. Look at that. Not impressive. But I do love Matches Fashion. I did get this on sale. Look, when you open it up, it's like this. Oh, it comes in a box. I did not expect that. This is Matches Fashion. When you open a box, it says Balenciaga on it. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. Hopefully I like it because I do love the packaging. Here's the product code. When you open up the box, let's see. Open it together, kind of short it because this is hard to get off. Oh, it comes in a Balenciaga dust bag. It has the Balenciaga tags and the Matches Fashion tag. Let's see, when you open the dust bag, we get the belt that I got, the Balenciaga belt. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this leather is literally so nice. Ooh, okay. I do really like this. I do hope this fits. I did order literally my exact size, so I'm in high hopes that it's gonna fit. If it doesn't fit, I can always return it and get a different size, but that's the risk for me delivering, getting things from Matches Fashion. I can only return it through DHL, and DHL, their closest office is like an hour from me. So, yeah, that's something. Ooh, the belt is just literally so nice. Okay, well, we're gonna try it on together. Just one moment. I am going to put on some pants that have belt loops. Okay, I have pants on with belt loops. I'll roll this up a little bit and keep it up in my shirt so we can try it on. Let's see. It fits very well. But the question is, how does this work? Oh, it's just slide through. It's kind of difficult to get through. How does that work? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I do like that a lot. It says Balenciaga on the back. The belt is comfortable. It's nice leather. And it came with a, let's see, I'll show you all up close. It says Balenciaga. Yep. Oh, I do like it a lot. Okay. Well, that is my new belt. It came with the dust bag, of course. And then inside the box has all of the tags and stuff. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you for watching my video, and have a great day.